Good morning, children. Welcome to online classes. Already I explained unit number 1 and I explained many topics. Today, already 3 sums we finished from exercise 1.1. So today I'll continue question number 4. Question number 4, write in expanded form. What is that heading? Write in expanded form. They are given number. Just write it. You should write it in the expanded form. For that, step by step, I'll teach you. First, you see that whether it is Indian system or international system. Indian system or international system. See here after 3-digit comma, then 2-digit comma. So it is which system? Indian system. Okay, then you should place, which place this number? 4 is in ones place, tens place, 100, 1000, 10,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Got it? Second step. First you should see which system. Then you should write place. So one by one we'll write. First one, first you should start from highest place. 2 is in highest place. So 2 is in which place? 10 lakhs place. So 2 into 10 lakh. How many zeros for 10 lakh? For lakh 50, 10 lakh 6 zeros. So 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So 10 lakh. After 1 digit over, then plus. Now 4 is in which place? Lakh place. So 4 into lakh 5 zeros. 1 followed by 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 lakh plus. Now 0 is in which place? 10,000 place. So 0 into 10,000 plus 5 is in which place? Thousands place. 5 into 1000 plus 8 is 100 place. 8 into 100 plus 0 is in tens place plus 4 into 1. 4 is in ones place. 1 step over. Now next step, just here we wrote the digit and place. Now you multiply that and write. Next step, 2 into 10 lakhs. So 20 lakhs. So how many zeros plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 0. So 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 2. So 20 lakh plus 4 into lakh, 4 lakh. 4 followed by 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus here 0 into 10,000. If you multiply any number by 0, already while explaining multiplication I explained, you will get what? 0. So no need to place like 5, 0, 4, 0. 1 0 is enough. Next plus 5 into 1000, 5,000 plus 8 into 100, 800 plus 0 into 10, 0 plus 4 ones are 4. Got it? How to expand given numbers. Here, after each question answer, you should draw line. Understood? See here, 24 lakh. 5,804 we expanded. First what I told you, first to see whether it is Indian system or international system. Next you should write the places of that number. Then first you expand, 2 is in which place, then 4 is in which place. After that multiply that and write. Okay, one more sum I'll do and show. See here, first you see whether it is which system. See first 3-digit, 2-digit, 2-digit. So this is what? Indian system. So first write place, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, now first, second step over. Third step, write highest place. Start from highest place. 5. 5 is in which place? Crore. For crore, how many zeros? 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you write 1 followed by 7 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then place comma. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, one number over, 1 digit over. Next one, plus 0 is in which place? 10 lakh place. So 0 into 10 lakh, how many zeros? 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So 10 lakh plus, next one is what? 5. 5 is in which place? Lakh place. So 5 into, for lakh, how many zeros? 5 zeros. So 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Plus, next number is 0. 0 is in next digit, sorry. Next digit 0. 0 is in which place? 10,000 place. So 10,000, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1 followed by 4 zeros, 10,000. Plus 5 is in thousands place. 5 into 1,000 plus 0 is in 100 place. 0 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 5 is in ones place. 5 into 1. Got it? You should start from highest place. Highest place is crore. We finish one step. Next step, multiply and write. 5 into crore. 5 into crore, how much? 5 crore. So 5 followed by how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. So 5 crore plus 0 into 10 lakh. So what is the answer? 0 plus here 5 into lakh. 5 into lakh is 5 lakh. 5 lakh. 5 followed by 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros plus after that here 10,000. Here this is over. 5 lakhs over. First this is over. This is also over. This we multiply. Now 0 into 10,000. If you multiply, how much you will get? 0. Plus 5 into 1,000, 5,000. 5 into 1,000, 5,000 plus 0 into 100, 0 plus 0 into 10, 0 plus 5 ones are 5. Got it? How to expand? I'll give 2 minutes time. Copy in your classwork neatly. After each question answers, you should draw line. Same heading. You should do the only 2 sums in classwork. Then this is homework. So this sum you should do it in your homework book. Clear? Same heading. Don't write this sum in classwork. It's homework question. Today's homework question is same like that. First you see whether which system this is, then right place, then expand each digit. Clear? Yes. Next question, question number 5. Just I'll erase heading. Write the corresponding numeral. Write the corresponding numeral. Corresponding numeral. Corresponding numeral. Just will copy question. First question, 7 into 1 lakh plus 8 into 10,000 plus 6 into 100 plus 5 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 3. This is the question. Okay. I think you all copied this. So I'm going to rub this one also. Then I'll explain that one. Here children, one more thing I want to tell you. In your book list, you got this one book, you know, in that you got 2 horizontal books like this line, horizontal line maths book. Keep one for homework and another one for classwork. Like this, you will get no horizontal notebook. In that, one is for maths classwork, another one is for maths homework. Clear? 200 pages, you got 2 horizontal book. In that you keep one for classwork, one for homework. Okay, now this is the question. I'll read next question. Question number 5 from exercise 1.1. Write the corresponding numeral. So last sum they are given in this one numeral, you expanded. Now here what they are given? They are given in expanded form. You should write the standard form or corresponding numeral. Okay, first what you should do, highest place you should see. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So highest place is what? Lakh. So you write first ones, in working column you write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, now one by one you multiply and write 7 into lakh. 7 into lakh is how much? 7 into lakh, 7 lakhs. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 0. 7 ones are 7. Okay, now first step over. Next one, 8 into 10,000. 8 into 10,000 is what? 80,000. So you should start from here. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 0. 8 ones are 8. See here, this place is important. You should write properly. See here, this is lakh. So lakh place you started. This is 10 lakh. So you should start from 10 lakh place. Now next 6 into 1000. 6 into 1000, 6,000. So how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 6 ones are 6. Clear? If you do like this, you will get correct answer. Otherwise, definitely you will get wrong. Your places are very important. You should write place properly. Now 5 into 100, 500. So 1, 2, 0. 5 ones are 5. Next 2 into 10, 20. So only 1 0. 2 ones are 2. So 3. That's all. 3. Now what you should do after writing all, just add all, you will get the answer. So add 3, 2, 5, 6, 8, 7. Now what you should do? Place commas. 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So what is the answer? Answer equal to 7,86,523. This is the answer. Highlight your answer. Underline final answer. Clear? How to do? Come on, copy down fast. One more question I'll do in that way. So next question, second one. This homework sum also I'll drop. I hope you copy. 3 into lakh plus 5 into 10,000. Yes, that's all question. See here in this question how to do. So here you should see highest place. Highest place is what? 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So you should start from lakh. 3 into lakh is what? 3 lakh. So you have 1, 2, see already you have written 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 0. Then 3 ones are 3. Clear? Next one. 5 into 10,000. 5 into 10,000. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 0. 5 ones are 5. That's all they are given. So no 100 place, no thousands place, nothing. So just add these two, you will get the answer. 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 3. So what is the answer? 3,50,000. So answer is 3,50,000. Got it? How to do? Here no 100 place, no number. 1000 also no. Then 1s, 10s and also just you add these two, you will get the answer. So what is the answer? Highlight your answer. 3,50,000. Clear? Now next main. Next question, question number 6. Question number 6, find the, you can copy, I'll write heading children first. Find the difference between, find the difference between place value and face value of 8. Okay, this is the question. So first one, 8, 7, 6, 5, 2. Replaced comma here. One more sum, 2 sums I will do. Then second one, 7, 3, 8, 2, 6, 5. Yes. Now I'll read questions here. What you should do, sixth question, find the difference. Difference means what you should do, subtract. Find the difference between place value and face value of 8. So you should find the difference between face value and face value of 8. This is the question. So first what you should do, see which system this is. See the ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So it both here only 5 digits. Indian system and international system both are same, no changes. So the first right place, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now you want to see place value and face value of 8. Then you should subtract, find the difference. So here place 8 is in which place? First here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 8 is in thousands place. So 8 into 10,000. 8 into 10,000 is how much? 80,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. 8 ones are 8. So next face value. Place value, it depends upon its place and position. So 8's place value is what? 80,000 here. Now you should go face value of 8. You should find difference between place value and face value. Face value of 8 is how much? Same, whether it is here. First here I will write place value. Place value equal to this. Now we'll go for face value is what? If it is in ones place also 8, if it is 100 place also 8, if it is 1000 place also 8. So here face value equal to actual value, it won't change at all. So face value equal to just 8. So here write in ones place 8. Then what you should do, subtract. Why you should subtract? There has what difference between face value and face value of those. So you should subtract. If the question is find the sum of means what you should do, you need to add. So now here subtract. So how to subtract? If 0 comes, 0 minus 8, it won't go. So here if you need to carry here also 0. So carry 1 from here. Take 1 from here, 7. Borrow, so not carry, borrow children. Borrow 1 from here. If you borrow 1 here, 9, here 10, again 9, 10, 9, 10. 10 minus 8 gives 2. 9 here, no number. So 9, 9, 9, 7. So what is the answer? 79,992. So answer equal to 79,992. Okay, got it. Face value and place value of 8. Now one more some same type I will do. See here 8 is in which place? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Now we want only 8. So place value of 8. Place value of 8 equal to, face value of 8 is what? 8 is in which place? 8 is in thousands place. So 8 into 1000. 8 8 into 1000 gives 8000. Okay, next to same 8, face value. Face value of 8 is how much? Face value of 8. Face value of 8 is how much? 8 only. If it is here in thousands place, its value is 8. If it is in 10,000 place also, its value is 8. If it is one place also, its value is 8. So just understand what is the difference between face value and place value. Place value depends upon its place. Face value means the number value itself, actual value of the number. So 8, so here 8. Now subtract. So same, 0 minus 8 won't go here, borrow 1 from here, 7, 10, 9, 10, 9, 10. 10 minus 8, 2, 9, 9, 7. So what is the answer? 7,992. 7,992 is the answer. Clear? Now question number 6 over. Next we'll go for question number 7. Or from exercise 1.1. Now question number 7. Just algebra heading. Answer the following. Question number 7. Answer the following. Totally 4 questions are there in that main. I'll do all 4 questions. I'll explain how to do all 4 questions to you. So first one, how many lakhs makes 1 million? Second one, how many lakhs makes 1 crore? How many lakhs makes 1 crore? Then third one, question number 3. I'll do all 4 sums, students, then you can understand easily. So, how many thousands make a lakh? Next, fourth one, how many millions make a billion? Okay, this is the question. See, once I'll read, answer the seventh question. Answer the following. Answer the following. See, first one, how many lakhs makes 1 million? So, how many lakhs is equal to 1 million? So, here 1 lakh, here million. How many you should find now? How many lakhs are there in 1 million? So, how to do already? I taught you shortcut method. If 0 comes, how to divide. So, first we'll take greatest number, million or lakh. Million is greater, so we'll write million. 1 million, how many zeros for 1 million? Here, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. Got it? See here, international system million. Lakhs is what? Indian system. So, how many lakhs is equal to 1 million? You need to find. For that, you should write first million. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million. We wrote million divided by lakh. How many zeros for lakh? 50. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. Okay. This step you should understand. So you should divide million divided by lakh, then you will get. So here, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cancel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is that? What answer? You got 10. So here, what you should write? 10 lakhs is equal to 10 lakhs make 1 million. How many million makes 1? How many lakhs makes 1 million? 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. 10 lakh equal to 1 million. Got it? How to find? Just to divide, see, instead of doing long division, so take greater number divided by smaller number, you will get that answer. Okay. Now next question will go. How many lakhs makes 1 crore? So both are Indian system. How many lakhs is equal to 1 crore? First what you should write? Crore. How many zeros? 7 zeros. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. After 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh crore. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0. Divided by lakh. So lakh, how many zeros? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So now cancel here. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you got it what? 100. So what is the answer? 100 lakhs is equal to 1 crore. So 100 lakhs make 1 crore. Got it? How to do? Instead of doing long division, just if you divide like this, you will get. Okay, next question. How many thousands makes a lakh? So in 1 lakh, how many thousands are there? So here, first lakh is highest, so we will write lakh. So already you know 5 zeros for lakh. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Divided by 1,000. How many thousands you should find? So 1, 2, 3. 1 tens, 100, 1,000. So 30, cancel. So what answer you got? 100. So here you should write 100,000s. 100,000s make 100,000s make 1 lakh. A lakh is what? 1 lakh. So in 1 lakh, how many thousands are there? 100,000s. Clear? Next question. How many millions makes a billion? How many millions makes a billion? So a billion is in 1 billion. How many millions are there? Both international system. So here no place. So I'll do there. Just copy first one. I'll rub heading. So this question I'll solve here. Billion and million. How many zeros for billion? First we'll write billion. So ones, tens, 100, then 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, then billion. So how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. See whether it's correct or not. We'll check once again. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Then million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. So 1 billion equal to how many million you should find. So million, how many zeros for million? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Then what will come? Million. Got it? See here. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So here we wrote 1 billion. Here 1 million. What is the question? How many millions makes 1 billion? So how many millions are there in 1 billion? We should check. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0 cancel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. So what answer you got? 1,000. 1,000 millions is equal to 1 billion. 1,000 billions is equal to 1 billion. How many millions makes 1? Yeah. 1,000. You should write answer. 1,000 millions make 1 billion. Got it? So copy down fast. Next question, question number 7 over now 8. How many numbers are there in between? Yeah. Only 2 more questions are there. I'll finish that today. Then I'll start next exercise next class. I hope you all understanding, children. So next question. So question number 8. Question number 8. How many numbers are there between 576 and 610? So, what is the question? I'll read question once. See or listen, children. How many numbers are there between 576 and 610? Okay, what you should find? How many numbers are there in between these two numbers? See here, 576 and 610. In between, how many numbers are there? You should find. So already I told you, you can't add like this. 576, 77, 578, up to 610. Then adding for that, what I thought you were explaining. So you can go bigger number minus smaller number. Then what you should do? -1 you will get. Between the as. So in between, so no need to count this and this. Only in between comes, no, that you should count. For that case, what you should do? Bigger number minus smaller number. Then if you subtract 1, you will get. So I'll show that how to do. First we'll go for bigger number. Which is bigger number? This is solution answer. Solution, bigger number minus smaller number. Then what you should do, whatever answer you will get, -1. Understand? Bigger number minus smaller number, -1. Here bigger number, which is big, 610. Minus, sign, minus. Then smaller number, 576. Then here -1. So first to solve this. 610 minus 576. So subtract 0, it won't go, borrow 0, 10, 10 minus 6, 4, 0, it won't go, borrow 5, 10, 10 minus 7 is what? 3, then 0. So we got it what? 34. 34 minus 1. 34 minus 1 is how much? 33. So how many numbers are there in between? 33 numbers are there. Got it? Instead of writing all and add, so you can go bigger number minus smaller number, then whatever answer you will get, no, in that -1 you will get. So in between these two numbers, how many numbers are there? 33 are there. Okay, in classwork, no need to copy this. You can copy remaining amount. Solution. Then this one you should do it in the working column, -1. Clear? Now next one. Last question, this exercise. Question number 9. How many 6-digit numbers are there in all? How many How many 6-digit numbers are there in all? See the difference between last question and this question. Here what they asked, they gave 2 numbers, then they asked how many numbers are there in between. So you should do bigger number minus smaller than -1. But in this question, how many 6-digit numbers are there in all? Totally how many 6-digit numbers are there? For that, what you should do? Greatest 6-digit, largest 6-digit number minus smallest 6-digit number. Then what you should do? Add 1. So here they asked in all total. Here only in between, understand? So what you should do here, 6-digit number you should find out. So largest 6-digit number minus smallest 6-digit number, last sum, 6-digit number plus 1. Got it? So here, largest 6-digit number is what? Already I taught you, 6 times 9. Solution. Yes. See here, largest 6-digit number is what? 6 times 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9,99,999. Minus smallest 6-digit number is what? 1 followed by 5 zeros. So totally 6-digit it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then you should add 1. Then you will get the answer. So we'll go for this in working column. 9,99,999 minus 1 lakh. So first subtract this, then add. So 9 minus 0, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 minus 1 is 8. So we got it what? 8,99,999 plus 1. So if you add 1, so 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry, 10, 1 carry, 10, 1 carry, 0, 10, 1 carry, 1, 9. So how much you got is 9 lakhs. So totally 6-digit numbers are how much? 9 lakh 6-digit numbers are there. So totally how many 6-digit numbers are there? 9 lakh. So here, see a total, if they ask, you should add biggest 6-digit number minus smallest 6-digit number plus 1. If the question is how many 3-digit numbers are there? So in that case, what you should do? Largest 3-digit number minus smallest 3-digit number plus 1. So if they ask 7-digit number, same. Largest 7-digit number minus smallest 7-digit number plus 1. Got it? How to solve? That's all, children. Today's over. I hope you all understood. I'll continue in next class. Have a nice day.